Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. We're taking a look at Nas100 and US30. The reason I'm making this video, guys, is to show you differences between these two pairs that might help you along the way. This morning when I was looking at these pairs right before the US session started, the behavior that I was looking at, let's say on US30, was really to go up, was right about here when it was pinning or, staying right at the 50 and the 200 EMA. And I was thinking we could possibly get, let's say, like a continuation trade on this particular pair, meaning that we would get something like this, okay, is the thought process that I was having at the time. When I was looking at Nas100, Nas100 was still here, so it hadn't really hit the 50 yet. So for that, I needed basically this to go up and then come back down again. So here's the point that I'm making with this. If we look at the US30, there was at no time did we ever get a setup, right, to trade this as a continuation trade, because we never got an actual candle to close at all. It just kept going straight up, right? When we compare that to the Nas100, though, you could see how the behavior was very, very good actually for us, in the sense that we got the pullback to the 50 and then we got a pattern that actually traded down. So the continuation trade setup itself was actually on Nas100, not US30. Always keep in mind that you may be thinking about something that's going to be tradable in the US session, but it just turns out that it never played out or never worked out how you wanted it to. And that's completely fine. But the important factor to this is the fact that you just want to have patience, okay, and let the setup come and let the setup develop before you blindly just get into a trade, okay? I've seen a lot of traders that are so confident that without even getting any kind of signal at all, they just jump into the trade and then they wonder why they lost the trade. Now, if we just look at the US30, if you actually look back, okay, all this move is doing here is coming back to fill the gap that was left from the news. Okay, so that's why it went all the way back up, filled the gap, and then now it could, go on its regular move that it's intended to do. Nas100 had already covered that gap here with this move here, so there was no need for it to return all the way back up again. Okay, so the Nas100 produced the actual continuation trade versus the US30, which we were waiting for, never produced anything at all. So keep this in mind when you're looking at other pairs to trade and you're looking at multiple pairs to trade. The only thing that matters, okay, is for you to get the setup that you're looking for based on the specific rules that you actually have for your trading plan. All right, I hope this short video helped and brought some value to you guys. Give me a like on the video, guys, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next one. Guys, if you need any more help or you like the content that we provide on this channel, come on over to the FXN MasterClass. It's available right now. What you get essentially is a lifetime membership, a full mentoring course, an advanced course. You get the Blue Summit videos, weekly Q&A sessions every Sunday, group session archives, which that by alone has about 100 hours of content, weekly analysis videos, midweek analysis videos, MT4 and MT5 indicators, a customized trading journal so you could actually journal your trades every day, and then a backtesting journal that you can use to backtest and collect all of your data. Not to mention a mentoring private chat, guys. So all the information is in the link in the description if you want to join now. We look forward to seeing you there, guys, and take care of yourselves.